Hello, my name is Josh Monsman, and these are my audience members. Neurofibromatosis is a genetic disorder that was first discovered in 1882 by von van Recklinghausen. It is a genetic disorder that mainly affects the skin, nervous system, cardiovascular system, eyes, and possibly many other organs. Neurofibromatosis causes tumors to grow throughout your entire nervous system, so therefore your entire body. There are three types of neurofibromatosis: NF1, NF2, and schwannomatosis. This disorder is easily detected or diagnosed. Neurofibromatosis is easily diagnosed through a physical examination brought out by a doctor. It can also be diagnosed through a split eye exam. Doctors can check for cafe au lait spots on your skin. That is an easy detector of if you have neurofibromatosis or not. Neurofibromatosis is usually diagnosed in childhood or early adulthood. Causes of neurofibromatosis are the gene for NF1 is located on chromosome 17. This gene normally produces a protein called neurofibromatosis. Neurofibromatosis regulates cell growth, therefore, without the ability to regulate cell growth because you lack that protein, therefore, you just have tumors that grow throughout your entire body. The gene for NF2 is located on chromosome 22. The gene for NF2 lacks the protein called myelin, and this also helps regulate cell growth. Therefore, you get the tumors throughout your entire body too. Neurofibromatosis is an autosomal dominant disorder. Both NF1 and NF2 are caused by two separate autosomal genes and may be inherited from parents or other relatives. These mutations in the genes come from the sex cells of the mother or father or relatives. Both NF1 and NF2 have multiple signs and symptoms. Some signs and symptoms of NF1 are: you have two or more tumors throughout your body, a sibling or parent has had the disease, there's the curvature of the spine, scoliosis, there's indents in your temple bone, and there's also a mutation of your tibia. Freckling, there's also freckling in or around the armpits or the groin. Now, some signs and symptoms for NF2 are they're very hard to detect because NF2 is it's more rare than NF1. There's usually small skin flaps around your eyes, and there's spine curvature. You may get seizures, and you may have balance problems. This disorder can cause individuals to suffer from neurological problems. People with neurofibromatosis may also have seizures. They may have breathing problems as well, and it affects multiple things. So, you may be affected by a lot of things. If it depends on the individual, it varies for everybody. Symptoms can be relieved by going to the doctor. You can have surgeries, and you can compress the tissue around say you have tumors like this right here. So then you compress the area around one of the tumors to get some of the pressure and inflammation out of the tumors, and they try to do this without damaging the organs. How common neurofibromatosis is a great question. It's usually asked by a lot of people. There are about 100,000 Americans that have neurofibromatosis. That includes females or males. About 1 in every 4,000 individuals is affected by neurofibromatosis. NF2 is more rare because it only occurs in 1 out of 40,000 people. The life expectancy of someone varies upon the individual. They could be affected by the symptoms, like they could have seizures and they may die or something like that. Like my uncle has seizures. He has multiple other health problems caused, and it just varies on the individual itself. And that is a general overview and quick presentation of neurofibromatosis. Thank you for watching.